For this one particular scene, what we required was a landscape which is barren, कि जहाँ कोई structure नहीं हो, एक पेड़ दिखाई नहीं दे. So somebody showed me a location in Rajasthan, Sambhar, Kharkari. And it was a fantastic location. तो हम देखने गए, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि white सा कुछ दिख रहा है. बाद में पता लगा कि वो नमक है. That whole landscape is, it's a salt pan. वहाँ बहुत नमक पैदा होता है और पैकेजिंग होकर देश भर को जाता है. We had a scene where दूर से एक बस आके स्टॉप पे रुकती है और वहाँ से बस जाती है. And we decided to shoot there.
This we are sure that the traffic will be blocked.
Yeah. Then the biggest challenge came was about production logistics. Where do we put the crew up? One option was putting up tents at Sambhar Salt, but we wanted to ensure that it was a comfortable stay. So then we said that put them up in the hotel, and the nearest hotel was around 2.5 hours away.
मैंने प्रोडक्शन से कहा कि शूटिंग के नज़दीक कोई अगर जगह हो रहने की, तो वहाँ पर एक सर्किट हाउस था. मेरी टीम वहीं रह रही थी मेरे साथ, जो 2-4 लोग थे, और मेरा जिम विम था वो हमने सर्किट हाउस में नीचे लगा दिया था. मेरी ट्रेनिंग भी हो रही थी उस वक्त, तो मुझे उसके लिए भी वक्त निकालना था. मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं शूटिंग के नज़दीक रहूं ताकि जो ट्रैवल का टाइम है वो इतना ज़्यादा ज़ाया ना हो और हम ज़्यादा टाइम शूटिंग कर पाएँ.
So we had finally locked the date of I think 1st of March, and the crew just arrived I think couple of days before the shoot. When the Murphy's Law kicked in and it just started pouring. It rained and it rained and it rained. And we thought चलो अभी तो पैक अप करके वापस चलते हैं.
What is the problem? Why are we stopping? We should go. ये बारिश रुक जाएगा. 100% गारंटी दे रहा हूँ. राजस्थान है यार.
मैंने कहा राजस्थान है, बारिश होती है पर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगी. I don't think it should be so bad. So we went to the location.
And we knew what we were in for. So when we reached the location, we saw that, and the whole terrain where we were actually going to shoot.
The rains had completely turned the white salt into brown. There were tire marks, slush. So the barren landscape which we wanted was no more the same.
One of the thoughts was come back some other time when the terrain is what we had seen in the recce.
Or the option was shoot in whatever we had. Then it occurred that this whole landscape is about 250 square kilometers. So possibly there might be some areas जहाँ पे राजस्थान है, सब जगह बारिश नहीं होती. कहीं कोई तो एक एरिया होगा जहाँ पे बारिश नहीं हुई है.
We went on a recce again searching for location, and some villagers told us that there is a place, a temple called Sambhar temple. It's around that.
Everything was there. Only problem was there was no road there. There was no existing bus stop. I spoke to Rajneesh, our production designer, and I said, is it possible in the next 36 hours, can you make a road and a bus stop?
If we had to take a call that we had to shoot, so for that we needed local laborers, trucks and tractors, lot of materials, and yes, human power.
We gave the green signal, and बस धड़ाधड़ काम शुरू.
मेरे शकंबरी मंदिर आना सांबर में, ठीक है?
We had just 1.5 days to do. So all the material was transported from Jaipur to Sambhar to overnight. And there were nearly 80 to 90 people working on that small water tank and a well. All the tractors and trucks were keep on going to and fro for around 3 kilometers.
ये जो रास्ता है ना, उस रास्ते में चलाओ.
next day we went there at 5 o'clock in the morning. Raju came at around 6:15, 6:30 and the location was ready.
Super bit. Just a great location for a shoot. Just incredible.
Roll video.
Rolling.
First action.
Initially, I felt this was a compromise, that I was not getting the location I'd liked. But eventually, I think it was a better option because we had one mountain and from there, the view was absolutely fantastic. So this location effectively became a better place for us to shoot.
Okay, stand by please and action.
So what was the most amazing thing about the first game? The location.
Sambhar was a beautiful location.
मस्त एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम सुपर डुपर मजा तो बहुत आया